Hi fam, welcome back to our channel, Design on a Dollar. I'm your host Ida, and today we're going to do these blinged, crackled, three-piece candle holder set. So if you want to see how these lovely pieces are made, then just continue to watch. These will be perfect on a table for a romantic dinner for Valentine's Day, or you can leave them out all year long. So for this DIY, you're going to need some form of candle vessels. I found this set of 3 from a thrift store, but if you don't have these or some similar to it, all you have to do is get the Dollar Tree candle holders and build your own. Or go to thrift stores and find some that you like. And these right here are some new vessels, candle holders that I found at the Dollar Tree. They have like this crackle effect to it. And you're going to need some tacky glue. You're going to need your hot glue gun and glue sticks. And you're going to need some of these iridescent beads, because the iridescent ones, they pick up the lighting that's inside of the candle holder, and some type of strong adhesive. That's what you're going to need. And like I said, if you don't have the regular ones, use those, and make sure that you have the large side at the top so the candle holder can sit in there, similar to what we're going to do. And guys, I use the nail head to pick up my gems instead of my katana. I just like the nail head better than I like the katana. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of the gems out, and I like to take them out and try to turn a lot of them over on the front side to make it easier to pick them up and make the process of putting them on the candle holder faster. And at first I'm going to start off in small sections, and then I'm going to do half. I'm going to halfen it. So I'm going to take the tacky glue up to a certain point, and then I'm going to take my nail head and I'm going to dip it in the tacky glue, and then I'm going to start picking up the gems and just randomly putting them onto the candle holder. Now these gems have several different sizes in it, and so all I do, like I said, is I just try to go in and place them and try not to get too many of the same size in one spot. And it's very easy. It's a little time consuming. I must love time consuming projects, because I'm always giving you guys time consuming projects, but I find that it helps with the relaxation, gets your mind off of things. You just, picking and going. And so I'm just going to continue to do this, and I'm just speeding everything up just so you can see the whole process, but I don't want to bore you with doing it. That would take 40 minutes or an hour to do these things. I just want to make sure y'all can see the process and how it goes. And like I said, I just take them and put them in different places, and then I'll push them together to close them in, to close up gaps on inside of it. And guys, you want to make sure that you don't get any of the gems over the lip of the candle holder, because you want the tea light part to sit flush. So as you can see, I'm just continuing to do this. And guys, if you don't have tacky glue, don't worry about it. You can do the same thing with Mod Podge. The tacky glue and Mod Podge both dries clear. So if you don't have the tacky glue, then you can use the Mod Podge. The tacky glue is just a little bit more dense, and so it does, the gems don't move around as much. But if you put too much in one spot, then the gems will slide on you. But it's okay, because you covering the entire top part of the candle holder. And like I said, this is a 3-piece set. So you're going to see me do one and do another one. And I had already did one because I wanted to make sure it was what I was looking for, and it was. So after I finish doing this one, I'm going to do another one. And like I said, as you can see on the inside, it's still wet. The tacky glue is still wet, and it's going to dry clear, and it dries pretty fast, guys. If you put a thin layer of the tacky glue on, it dries fast as well. So, and that's another reason why I like to have the gems turned over on the right side, so I can just pick it up, because the tacky glue does dry a little bit fast, and I want to work in such a way that I can get it all of them on before the tacky glue dries. And now this is the last vessel, last one of the candle holders that I'm doing, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just speeding it up so you guys can see the process of it getting done. And after I finish this one, we're going to move on to doing the next one. So I'm just going to be quiet. Oh, and no, I'm not. I'm going to tell you this, guys. Don't forget tomorrow night, or well, you're gonna see this video, and it's going to be Saturday as well. 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time every Saturday is Craft with me. And this Saturday at 7 p.m. we're doing our Valentine's Day wreath. And I have a video out on the supplies that you need to get for this DIY. And go ahead and pre-do your stuff to have a lot of your items already cut and ready to go, so we can try to do our wreath in under an hour. So now I'm almost finished with all 3 of the candle holders, and I just love it. I just love the way these iridescent gems look. They pick up all of the whatever is next to, that's the colors that picks up. And when you put the tea light holder on top of the candle stick, then those colors, I mean, it just looks so good together. And then when I make them seamlessly, so that there's all 3 of the pieces, and as you can see, they're still drying, but they're good enough where we can move on to the next step, which is doing our putting the tops of our candles on. So now I'm going to take the strong adhesive, and guys, this is 357. It dries clear, it dries fast, and I also got this one from Walmart. Walmart has several different strong adhesives that I like. I like the 357, I like the Gorilla Glue, and I like the, oh god, what's the other one? Oh god, I can't think of it. It's on the tip of my tongue. I can't think of it right now, but they're different prices. The Gorilla Glue, I mean the E6000 is kind of expensive. The Gorilla Glue is like in between the E6000 and the other one that I can't think of right now, and the 357 is around the same price as the one that I can't think of, the $2.50. And as you can see, I have the first vessel on, and once I finish putting all 3 of the vessels on, I'm going to go back in, and I don't want a line of demarcation from where, I don't want it to look like the globe is just sitting on, that was just sitting up there like that. I want it to look like it came together. I want the gems to flow from the top part all the way down into the candle holder. So once I have this globe on, I'm going to go back in, and I'm going to go around right where the globe meets the top of the candle stick, and I'm going to fill in that area with some tacky glue and put some gems in there so it can just look like it's seamless. It doesn't look like it's not going to look like two pieces. It's going to look like it was one piece, the way it's supposed to, like it came this way. So I'm going to do that to all three of them as well. And then this project is pretty much finished, guys. It's, like I said, it's an easy project to do. I love these new vessels, and they're also in like a brownish, brown and yellow color. This is the like the silver, can't even talk, along with the green and the blue down at the very bottom. So they have two colors, and this is one of them. I love this color. I think I like it because it's just, to me, it was more vibrant than the brown and the yellows. So guys, I'm just taking the nail head and taking gems, and no particular size, just taking them around to fill in the areas around the base of the globe. And guys, and then in a second we're going to be finished with this project. So guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not a part of our YT family. I would love to have you be a part of it. And also don't forget to hit your notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload. And guys, as you can see in this year, I am trying to challenge myself to put out more videos, more content for you guys. And I thank you so very much because the views have gone up tremendously. We had a slump there, and I think it was because of the holidays. And I was getting discouraged, but as y'all have come back and come back strong, so I thank you so much for coming back and watching the videos, and I thank you for everyone that has hit the subscribe button. And guys, here we are, the 3-piece set, and I think it came out gorgeous. So guys, if you like this DIY, don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like, and share. And remember guys, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you to the moon and back again. And guys, we're getting ready to have apparel that you can buy with our motto on it, along with our name. So look forward to that very soon. I love you guys, and I see you too later on today. Bye bye.